Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. To my new audience, thank you for stopping by. In this channel, we upload videos on sewing tutorial, DIYs, sewing tricks, sewing tips, sewing hacks, pattern drafting, and styles. So in today's video, we want to learn how to cut and sew a simple cap, a barret cap. The measurement you need is your head circumference and then how wide you want the cap to be. Things that are needed are the fabric. This is the fabric that I want to use. This is my pin, my measuring tape, my scissors, and my tailor's chalk, my white color tailor's chalk. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. So the material that I have here measures 3.5 by 22.5. The quantity of material needed depends on your head circumference. So I have both material 23.5 by 22.5. So these two material measures the same. So to get the exact quantity of material you will need, you need to measure around your head circumference. When you measure around your head circumference, that will determine the amount of material that is required. So the head circumference I'm working with is 22 inches. That is why my material is 23 by 22 inches. So when you measure yours, you can make the material, you can cut your material 1 or 2 inches bigger than the head circumference. So when you get the actual head circumference, you need to derive the radius. So you fold your material into two like this, fold it again this way. Can you see? You fold it the same way we fold a full circle scape. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. To get your radius here, you divide your head circumference by 6.28. So when I divide the one I'm working with, I have 3.5 inches. I will mark the 3.5 inches. Can you see? Now I will determine the length of the cap. I want the length to be 7.5 inches. When I add 7.5 to 3.5, that gives me 11 inches. So I will mark my 11 now. Sorry. Oops. So for my seam allowance, I'm going to mark 0.5. That is half of an inch. That is the allowance I'll be using to join to the band. cut it. So for the second one, I don't need this one, I need only the length. So I will mark my 11 inches. Remember when I added the radius, it was 11 inches. Go and interface the fabric. I'll iron it and add in. Can you see? So what I'll do now will be for me to make it right side facing each other. Then I will pin it down. Then go to my sewing machine and sew the way I pin it. So I have turned it inside out. Can you see? And I'll measure on around 23. So I've got a strap that measures 23. The strap measures 24, so that's a half joining allowance. So 24 by 4. I'll sew here. So I sew it. Can you see? So this all around. So this is the final outcome of our beautiful cap, the beret. It looks so nice. Can you see? It looks beautiful. This is the back side. This is the side view. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share our videos so that others will learn. Also, if you have any illustration that you want me to do, any topic, drop it on the comment section. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.